Hi, my name is Tye Coe for About.com. I'm a celebrity hair, makeup, and fashion stylist. Today we're at the fabulous BeSu Salon and Day Spa here in New York City, and I'm going to show you how to make your hair appear less coarse. The first thing in making your hair appear less coarse is to make sure you've conditioned it properly, and then you can start by adding a leave-in conditioner. So we're going to start and add some leave-in conditioner. With the leave-in conditioner, you're going to work it through all of the hair. That's going to help in sealing down the cuticle as well. The next thing you would want to do in making your hair appear less coarse is after you've put in a light bit of leave-in conditioner, it's a great idea to add a heat styler. In this case today, we're going to use the curling iron, and it's going to help in polishing the hair shaft and making it look a lot shinier and healthier. So you can see how the curling iron just polishes out the hair shaft. You can see the difference. So after you have your curls in place, you then want to go back through with some shine serum. That's going to give it an extra light reflection that helps it to appear healthier and less coarse as well. So the great thing about adding the shine serum, it definitely helps in reflecting the light, and it will help your hair in appearing a lot less coarse. And this is how you help your hair to appear less coarse. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit us at About.com.